Welcome to Speak Up English Academy. In this quick guide, we'll explore the present tenses family in English. We'll cover the present simple, present continuous, present perfect, and present perfect continuous tenses. Mastering these will help you express actions happening now and share your experiences effectively. Let's jump in.
Simple present tense. Describes habitual actions, general truths, or routines. Structure: affirmative, subject plus base form of the verb, plus s/es for third person singular. Negative, subject plus do/does not plus base form of the verb. Question: do/does plus subject plus base form of the verb. Examples: affirmative, I eat breakfast every day. Negative, she does not like coffee. Question: do you play soccer? Present continuous tense. Describes actions happening at the moment or current ongoing activities. Structure: affirmative, subject plus am/is/are plus verb plus ing. Negative, subject plus am/is/are not plus verb plus ing. Question: am/is/are plus subject plus verb plus ing. Examples: affirmative, I am eating lunch now. Negative, they are not watching TV right now. Question: are you studying? Present perfect tense. Expresses actions that occurred at an unspecified time before now, or that have relevance to the present. Structure: affirmative, subject plus have/has plus past participle. Negative, subject plus have/has not plus past participle. Question: have/has plus subject plus past participle. Examples: affirmative, I have visited Paris. Negative, she has not finished her homework. Question: have you read this book? Present perfect continuous tense. Describes actions that started in the past and are still continuing or have recently stopped, emphasizing duration. Structure: affirmative, subject plus have/has been plus verb plus ing. Negative, subject plus have/has not been plus verb plus ing. Question: have/has plus subject plus been plus verb plus ing. Examples: affirmative, I have been studying for 3 hours. Negative, they have not been exercising lately. Question: have you been working on this project? Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel for more videos.